Goes, dearest Riza, not only are you an amazing person, you are a personal person. Hello lovely people, welcome back to Creators TV. If this is your first time watching my video, you're warmly welcome, and to all my returning subscribers, thank you so much for always stopping by. So today I will be showing you guys how my bestie finished me. She just spoiled me, guys. Like, look at this apartment. This is just a few snippets of the main video. As you keep watching, you get to know what this vlog is all about. So I just actually vlogged my birthday gift. So this is what my best friend gave to me. She offered me a 3 days out with a lovely letter, and I'm going to read this letter to you all. She offered me these 3 days weekend getaway, all for me, just me in this deluxe room. Like, it was amazing. So I just decided to share this journey with you guys using through this vlog. And if you're interested, please keep watching. So first of all, I got to the hotel room. A nice hotel. It was amazing. It was so good. It was lovely. It's a hotel in Hamburg, Germany, and it's very tall building. And I love the fact that my room was right up and I could see the city at my convenience. So guys, I got into the room now. I had to do a very quick room tour. They look at how sparkling the toilet is. Like, see how big it's. I mean, as it was a premium deluxe room. The fridge, guys, it's not free. Oh. You know, most hotels they put things in the fridge, but if you eat any of it, you have to pay, so it's not free. So you guys just have to get a glimpse of my outfit. I was a kind of cowgirl on this day. I love boots and it's winter, so girl had to sleep with the boots. I actually just dressed like cowgirl. So guys, I just got here and I am super excited. Like, this is such a really good opportunity for me because I've never done solo traveling, no solo whatever weekend getaway. My bestie just did this for me. She was like, baby girl, just go out, relax all on your own. Initially she was supposed to join me because it was her gift, my birthday present from her. So initially she was supposed to join me. That's what she had planned actually, because I had no idea this is what she was up to. Then she said to herself, oh no, just go away, have time off the baby, off work, off school, off everything, just relax on your own. Guys, before, I was at the beginning I was like skeptical. I was like, I'm a bit kind of surprised because I thought if she was planning something we're going to be together. Then I realized that it's going to be an opportunity for me to really have a silent time alone by myself, walk around, do things all on my own, you know, just have time. And I think it's really therapeutic because it really gives you that time to reflect on so many things and just have time for you. Baby girl, this is such an amazing gift, and if you're watching this, I appreciate you so much, dear. Thank you so much, darling. Mwah! Massive love and hugs to you. Thank you so much for giving me an opportunity to be here all by myself and all sponsored by you. Like, every dime she did this. So I'll be here from Friday to Sunday, like tonight. She said she has just prepared. I just need to sit, relax. Everything is going to be served. Breakfast, lunch or dinner. Everything will be served. First prize, we said appetizer, main dish, and then desserts or whatever drinks, whatever thing. My baby girl has just prepared everything for me. I just need to sit, relax, and eat, guys. How amazing is that? You guys should help me thank her. Help me thank her. She has just spied me. Help me thank her, guys. I am so grateful. I don't know, I can't thank her enough. So guys, yeah, as I was saying, that's it. I'm so super grateful. I don't know, This is such a best friend for life. Like my sister, she's like, girl, baby girl, see, you know I love you. I don't even need to reiterate this anymore. Thank you so much for this amazing experience. Thank you, massive love and hugs to you. I am so happy. Oh God, like guys, just T, I love you so much. Thank you so much for this experience. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Mwah. So guys, this is really, really, really good. You know, just like, you know, relaxing and just oh God, this is so relaxing. This is so refreshing. The curls are popping. So now. Okay, so I'm going to call her now. Still have arrived. So the lift is here. So guys, I'm going to the sauna. Actually, it's called sauna in German. I'm sure in English it's called sauna or sauna, whatever. In German, it's called sauna. You know what sauna means, right? It's actually a section where it's kind of warm, damp area. There are different types. You just go to relieve yourself of a workload, or I don't know. It's so relaxing, you know. It's also very good for stress. It's also very good for to relax your muscles and your nerves and all that. So it's very, very healthy. Yeah, and you just go, you don't have to put on anything. You have to go there naked. That's where the sauna is, or it's sauna in English or whatever, but it's called sauna in German. So normally before you get in the, and then after you can get your shower. So I have this Sebamed. I have this Sebamed shower gel with me. This actually small because for traveling, and then I have this little shea butter body lotion from Ayurveda. So guys, I'm going to the sauna. So guys, I'm there and I'm not supposed to use the phone, so I have to put my phone back. Yep, just put my phone in my pocket. Then I'm going to put it in the drawer and go. So guys, I'm done. I just took my shower and then I just put some body lotion on my body and I have to go back to my room. The shower was really good. There was also a section where you had cold mist, like after taking a bath, you could just let a cold mist over your body. It was so refreshing. Guys, sauna is the game. It's so relaxing, so therapeutic. You're gonna try that. Good morning, guys. So above and I slept so well. Yeah. I'm going to have breakfast right now, and then after that I have some couple of things I want to do today, so I just go now. I'm just going to go out now, get some breakfast, then come back and continue my day. So today is Saturday. let's see what we're up to today. Bye. So guys, good morning. Actually today's the last day and I'm going to take breakfast now and then go back home. So yeah, I'm dressed and ready. That's my bag. And guys, oh yeah, my baby girl left this for me and I want to read this with you guys, right? This is actually what she left together with everything for the hotel. So here she goes. Dearest Riza, not only are you an amazing person, you are my personal person, and I am grateful each day you are in my life. Part of being a friend is sensing the little details only a friend can instinctively sense. And with one such thing I am coming through this letter. You have been a mom, went back to school, went back to work, and on the side I'm mentally hustling and planning your functions. I can bet my all on the fact that you are doing all these things amazingly, almost like a machine. But along the way, I am sure there is no longer time for one thing. Time for yourself. Time where you just have to lean back and let somebody else hustle for you a day or two. Time to just switch off and waste away a day or two, and thus I am sending you off for exactly this. Yes, not even I am gonna be around, because this is gonna be all about you and nobody daring to even awaken you when you don't wanna. All of us plus a little Jason will only get you online, and only if you choose to talk to us. She laughs. Sadly, Corona made it impossible for me to book anything spa, but I am still sure even without it, you will have a lovely, relaxing time here. Yeah, of course, I had a lovely, relaxing time in the wellness section here, the fitness section. Everything was amazing. Everything's cleared. All you have to do is get there on Friday, show them the gift card, enjoy your stay while you leave on Sunday, eat your time out before the celebrations coming at the end of October. Yeah, the celebrations. You want to know about that? Okay, we'll have some other time. I have a celebration coming in October. Yeah, something personal. Perhaps you'll know some other time. Again, happy belated birthday, my girl, hugging you tea. And she says, oh, remember, you don't have to call the hotel. I already got the booking confirmations. Everything's sorted out. Guys, now tell me if this is not the best film. What then is it? Like, I am just super appreciative. I'm super grateful. She's in my life. You know, no matter how long we've known each other, I keep thanking God every day for her. And guys, Thank you for watching this video. If you watched to the end, no, massive love and hugs to you. Thank you for support. Please don't forget to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and click on the post notification bell so that each time I upload a video you'll be the first to get it. You know, basically I upload normally natural hair videos on this channel and a little bit of lifestyle when necessary. But guys, please don't forget to click on the post notification bell, the like button, and subscribe. So I'm just sitting here waiting for my bus to take off to the train station, and then from there I'm going to go home. So yeah, I got something for my mom. Oma means grandma. Of course, she's a grandma. Grandma of grandkids. So I got something for my mom. Yeah, you know, it's a tradition. It's my tradition. It's a tradition when we travel, we have to get something. My sister, Schwester, yeah, something for my sister. And then I also got something for my younger sister. Then I also got a pen, personalized pen for my elder brother. So guys, that's it. You know, whenever I travel, I like to get something for my people. And